this right here is the Hyperx Alloys Origin 60, and I did only pay £20 for this keyboard. I put a screenshot up of the purchase order, but the main reason why this keyboard was actually so cheap is because of one thing that's wrong with the keyboard that kind of makes it unusable, and that includes the spacebar. So if I actually do take out the spacebar, you can see instantly that one stabilizer is missing, meaning that, you know, when I actually do try use the keyboard, yeah, that's not good, and you'd have to like press directly in the middle, which is something that I don't want to do. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying to fix this keyboard by taking the spacebar stabilizer off of this one and seeing, you know, if I'm able to fix it. So if you guys do end up enjoying this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe as support our channel, and let's get right into it. So starting off, I do need to take off all the keycaps, or most of the keycaps off of both keyboards, which is going to be quite annoying, and I'm going to have to do it by hand since I lost my keycap puller. So let's just get right into it. Okay, I think this keyboard might have been opened up before because, yeah, right there is, I think that's a, you know, like a hole for a screw. So I think this keyboard has been opened up before, not too sure. Last one. Alright, there we go. So now we have all of the keycaps out, and at least all the screws are visible. So I'm actually gonna unscrew this keyboard first. Just like that. Alright, I think all the screws are out. And I think, how do that hurts. How do I pull this out? Unless I'm missing another screw? Yeah. It's up there. Now I need to double check just in case I'm missing any other screws in this keyboard. Alright, I'm gonna double check just in case. That should be all of them. Yeah, looks about. Can I? See now, how do I? Oh, wait. Alright, so I don't know how to take out a stabilizer because, you know, I never really intended on. So the issue now is with this keyboard, I had to find out the hard way that this isn't hot swappable. So I kind of ripped out the stabilizers. I inserted like these ones, you know, for the clips. And I'm gonna have to do the same with this keyboard, but just take out one. Apparently this keyboard is hot swappable, so I'm gonna have to try and find my switch puller, so I'll be right back. Well, I found the switch puller, but I also found a keycap puller that I had, which I could have just used. So that's great that I found that now. So hopefully this should theoretically just be. There we go. So now if I unclip these. Oh. stuck by that thing. I'm gonna have to use the same thing that I did with this keyboard. Oh. Ew. That is nasty. Because now I need this part. Right, there we go. Whoops. Just put that keyboard onto the side for a moment. Now, how do I install? I think it's like this. Yeah, I can. Okay. But I need it to like. Alright, there we go. That's one. Alright, there we go. Okay, why does that one? Alright, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually swap. I'll swap this stabilizer out with okay, oh my days. Okay, so it kind of does dip it down a little bit. Shit, I need to see because I mean I do use the middle space. I do press on the middle, so it's fine. But when I'm playing Fortnite, since I do play on the right hand side, so I use like IJK and L, I tend to like hit the side of the spacebar like that. But honestly, I need to get like a key. I need to get like the Alt key or something like that. If I can find one. Alright, we just use this one. So I am gonna put it upside down. Just like. You know what? That is not bad. That's actually good. You know what? I'm proud. I'm proud of my works. I am proud of what I've accomplished today. Now, the way I fix the keyboard, I don't really recommend anyone else doing it like this unless you really want to get the keyboard fixed and obviously in a usable state. But honestly, I am really glad that I'm able to get this keyboard fixed, because I do low-key want to use this keyboard at some point. But yeah, now I'm gonna have to do a time lapse of me screwing everything in, which will be very nice, and also sorting out the keycaps, which will also be very nice. Let's go right into it. And the last keycap. Now this keyboard is okay. Now this keyboard is fully fixed. It's actually kind of crazy that, you know. I do want to make that upside down, just so it's easier for me, much more comfortable. But if you guys did end up enjoying this video, I think I already said the intro. But anyways, if you guys did end up enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe as support our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.